An $8 part destroys more 5.3 engines than everything else combined. GM knows it. Put it in millions of Silverados knowing it would fail. I talked to 3 mechanics. All said this part is our bread and butter. If you have a 2008 to 2013 Silverado, you have this part, and it's counting down to destroy your engine. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect yourself. Subscribe now. This can save you $4,000. The part? AFM Lifter, Active Fuel Management Lifter. Most subscribers here already know this blessed part, but if you don't, let me simplify. GM installed a system to shut off 4 cylinders when you drive smooth. Saves 1 mile per gallon. Sounds good, right? Wonderful. But these special lifters collapse and expand thousands of times daily, and they don't hold up. When they fail, it's not just an $8 lifter, it's the entire engine compromised, my friend. Comment AFM if you have a 2008 to 2013 Silverado before it's too late. Here's what happens when AFM lifter fails. Lifter collapses, stops pushing valve. Piston comes up directly into stuck valve. Valve bends, metal breaks, pieces circulate in oil. Metal debris destroys bearings, scratches cylinders, clogs oil passages. Result? Cascade damage, entire engine compromised. Cost to replace lifter? $200. Cost after engine destruction? $4,000 to $8,000. One mechanic told me, I see 3 per week. Customer hears noise, ignores 2 days, engine dead. Timing is everything. Why did GM install a part they knew would fail? 2 reasons. EPA mandated it. 2008 regulations required fuel economy. AFM saves 3%. Service revenue. Internal GM documents said AFM failures generate average $3,500 revenue per vehicle. They literally calculated profit from parts breaking. You save $100 yearly on gas, GM profits $3,500 when it breaks. Simple math. Wrong incentives. Comment planned if you think GM did this on purpose. Good news? You can protect yourself. 3 options. Delete AFM preventatively. Kit costs $600 to $1,000. Remove system completely. Best of keeping truck. Avoid completely. Buy 2007 Silverado before AFM or work models without it. Sell before failure. If you have 50,000 miles plus, AFM can fail any day. Mechanic said, delete costs $1,000, repair costs $4,000. Easy math. AFM lifter. $8 part destroying $4,000 engines. GM installed it in millions knowing it would fail. Service profit over reliability. But you don't have to be a victim. 2008 to 2013 Silverado? 3 choices. Delete, avoid, or sell. Which will you choose? Comment. Like if this saved you. Share. Every owner deserves to know. Subscribe. Next video, why mechanics refuse new Silverados. Don't be a statistic. Be prepared.